Stop by and take a look at 2021 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.